This video is going to show how to perform a bias point simulation in OrCAD PSpice. A bias point simulation can be used to analyze steady-state voltage, current, and power and display results directly on the schematic. Open the provided design in OrCAD PSpice Designer. To run a simulation, first a simulation profile must be created. Select PSpice, New Simulation Profile from the menu. Name the simulation profile bias point and click Create. If the Simulation Manager Product Choices window opens, select the appropriate license and click OK. Select Bias Point from the Analysis Type drop-down menu. Leave the other settings as the defaults and click OK. To run the simulation, select PSpice Run from the menu or the Run button on the toolbar. When running a bias point simulation, the PSpice AD window will always open to a blank plot. Bias point results are displayed directly in the schematic, so the plot window is not used. Close the window. To view the voltage results, select the Enable Bias Voltage Display button from the toolbar, or select PSpice, Bias Points, Enable Bias Voltage Display from the menu. View the bias point voltages at each net in the schematic. To toggle the voltage display off, select Enable Bias Voltage Display again. Select the Enable Bias Current Display button from the toolbar to view the bias currents. View the bias point result currents for each component displayed on each pin. Select the button again to toggle the current display off. Select the Enable Bias Power Display button from the toolbar. View the bias point results. The power dissipated or supplied by each component is shown in the schematic. Components that dissipate power show a positive reading, while components that supply power show a negative reading. Select the button again to toggle the power display off. Quickly analyze bias point results directly on the schematic to ensure proper voltage, current, and power in your circuits with PSpice. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.